Hello, welcome back to our English class. My name is Lucas and I am so happy to have you here with us today.
Hello everyone, I am Anna. It is a beautiful day to learn English together. How are you today, Lucas?
I am great, Anna. I am very excited because today is lesson 4. We have so many fun things to talk about with our listeners.
Yes, we do, but first let's say hello to our friends. Everyone please say hello.
Great! Now, let's start. I am Lucas. I am from Germany. I am an English teacher. I love my job because I love talking to students from all over the world. Anna, can you introduce yourself again for our new friends?
Of course. I am Anna. I am from the UK. I am also a teacher. I live in a small house with a big garden. I love my home and my work. Now it is your turn, listeners. Please practice with us. Say, my name is. I am from. I am a student.
Well done. It is very important to practice every day. Even simple sentences are very good for your brain. Anna, look out the window. How is the weather today?
Oh, it is lovely. The sun is shining. It is a very sunny day. It is not cold and it is not too hot. It is perfect for a walk. How is the weather where you are, Lucas?
Here, it is a little bit cloudy, but it is still warm. I like warm weather. I don't like it when it rains. I like to see the blue sky.
I agree. Let's learn the word sunny. Please repeat after me. Sunny. It is sunny today. And cloudy. Please repeat cloudy. It is cloudy today.
Good. Today we are talking about many personal things. Let's start with my favourite topic, family. Anna, tell me about your family. Do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a small family. I have a husband and one daughter. My husband is very kind. My daughter's name is Lily. She is 6 years old. She is very cute and very funny. She likes to sing and dance every day.
That is nice. 6 years old is a great age. Does she go to school?
Yes, she goes to a small school near our house. She likes her teacher very much. Lucas, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have a brother and a sister. My sister's name is Maria. She is a student. She studies music at a big university. She plays the piano very well.
And your brother? What does he do?
My brother's name is Thomas. He is older than me. He is a manager in a big office. He is very busy, but he is a very good brother. We like to play football together when we meet on the weekends.
Wow, you have a sister and a brother. That is a lot of fun. Let's practice some family words. Please repeat. Family. My family is happy. Now repeat. Daughter, sister, brother.
Great job. Families are very important. But I also have a very special friend at home. He is not a person. He is a pet.
Oh, I love pets. Pets are like family members. What pet do you have, Lucas? Is it a dog?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is a big dog and he is brown. Max is very friendly and very smart. He follows me everywhere in the house. When I cook in the kitchen, he waits near the door.
I love dogs. I don't have a dog, but I have a cat. Her name is Luna. Luna is white and very soft. She is a very quiet cat. She sleeps a lot. She sleeps on my bed every night. Sometimes she plays with a small ball.
Cats are very clean and quiet. Max is not quiet. He barks when he is happy. He barks when he sees a bird in the garden. He is very happy when we go to the park to run.
Let's teach our friends the word pet. Please repeat pet. I have a pet. Now say dog and cat.
Do you have a pet at home? Maybe you have a fish or a bird? Please tell us. Say, I have a very good.
Lukas, I am starting to feel a little bit hungry. Talking about Max and Luna makes me think about food.
Me too. I am always hungry at this time. Let's talk about food and snacks. Anna, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat bread with butter and jam. It is very simple. I also drink a cup of hot tea. I love tea with milk. It is very common in England. What about you, Lukas? Do you drink tea?
No, I don't drink tea in the morning. I drink coffee. I drink a big cup of black coffee every morning. It helps me wake up and feel energetic. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and fruit. I love apples and bananas.
Fruit is very healthy. I like bananas too, but my favorite food is pasta. I love Italian food. I eat pasta for dinner many times. I like it with tomato sauce and cheese. It is delicious.
Pasta is good, but I prefer rice and chicken. My mother makes the best chicken and rice in the world. It is my favorite meal. When I go to her house, she always cooks it for me.
That sounds lovely. What about snacks? Do you like snacks between meals?
Oh yes, I love chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite snack. When I watch a movie or read a book, I eat a little bit of chocolate. It makes me happy.
I like chocolate too, but I prefer cookies. I like to eat cookies with my tea in the afternoon. My daughter Lily helps me make cookies on Sundays. They are very sweet.
Let's learn some food words. Please repeat. Breakfast. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Dinner, fruit, and chocolate. I love chocolate.
And don't forget water. Drinking water is very important for our bodies. Repeat. Water. I drink water every day.
Now, let's talk about what we do for fun. Everyone needs a hobby. Anna, what are your hobbies?
I have many hobbies. I love reading books. I read many stories every night before I go to sleep. It helps me relax. I also like gardening. I have many flowers in my garden. They are red, yellow, and blue. They look very beautiful in the sun.
That sounds very peaceful. I don't have a garden because I live in an apartment, but I love music. I play the guitar. I am not a professional, but I practice every Saturday afternoon. It is very fun.
That is wonderful. Playing an instrument is a great way to spend time. Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like swimming. I go to the swimming pool every Sunday morning. Swimming makes me feel strong and healthy. And I like watching football on TV. I am a big fan of football.
I am not a big fan of sports, but I like walking. On the weekend, I go to the forest with my husband and Lily. We walk for 2 hours. We see birds and trees. It is very beautiful and quiet there.
Walking is very good exercise. It is good for the heart. What else do you do on Saturdays, Anna?
On Saturdays, I go shopping in the morning. I go to the supermarket and buy food for the week. I buy vegetables, meat, and milk. In the afternoon, I visit my parents. They live near my house. We drink tea and talk about the week. What about you, Lukas?
On Saturdays, I usually clean my apartment in the morning. I listen to music when I clean. Then, in the afternoon, I meet my friends. We go to a small cafe and talk. We drink coffee and we laugh a lot. It is the best part of my week.
It is very important to have fun with friends. Let's learn the word hobby. Please repeat hobby. My hobby is reading. Now say swimming and shopping.
Great job, everyone. You are doing very well. We are talking so much today. Let's review. Today we talked about our names and our jobs. We talked about where we are from.
We talked about the weather. We learned sunny and cloudy. We also talked about our families. I have a daughter and Lucas has a brother and a sister.
We talked about our pets, Max the dog and Luna the cat. Pets are our friends.
And we talked about food. We like bread, pasta, fruit and chocolate. We like tea and coffee.
Finally, we talked about our hobbies. Reading, gardening, swimming and meeting friends. These things make our lives happy.
You are learning many new words today. Please do not worry if you do not remember everything. You can listen to this lesson again and again.
Yes, listening is the best way to learn English. When you listen many times, the words stay in your head.
That is right. You are a great student. Before we go, let's practice one more time. Please say, I love English. I can speak English.
Yes, you can. You are doing a fantastic job. Thank you for joining us today in Lesson 4. We are very proud of you.
We will be here for the next lesson too. We have more stories and more words for you. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Goodbye. We will hear you next time.
Goodbye.
Take care.